Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have completed this one. So going for the next one, we have to complete the thing within 40 minutes uh, because there is a weekly contest I should attend. So let's go. Lead code 852. Peak index in written array. The formal statement goes like this. You are given an integer mountain array named ARR of length 10, where the values increase to the peak element and then decrease. Certain the index of the peak element. Your task is to solve it in. Okay, so here the peak element is 2, increases, and then increases, and then decreases. So let's do one thing. L and R equals to 0 and length of element equals when is less than R, is equals to plus R by 2. If amount of mid is less than increase the length of mid maximum. Or equals then we have to limit this to this distance plus 1 or equals equal to this dimension into return log c. Oh sorry, So what we have to do is we go to we need a messed up point. So it is the pivot point. From here itself we'll see the reducing phenomenon. So when we go to mid, let's consider this as a mid. We are not sure whether or not we'll go to here. Let's take another error and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 15, 16, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6. So and next mid we are going to 9, and 9 is the point where we see the decreasing phenomenon or increasing phenomenon. So we have a upside curve here and a downside curve here. If we see a downside curve, we have to move to the center, and if we have a upside curve, so maybe greater like this example 2, we see what happens. Seems like this is working fine. Let's also add a test case. No one can see. By well, this is working fine. So let me submit and let's start discussing the intuition. Well, this is working fine and great. So the intuition goes like this. We initialize it and are just like any other binary shift. and we pick the mid, and this part is the crucial part. This is the main editing. So what we are doing here is we are checking if the curve is going like if it is monotonically, yeah, if it is monotonically decreasing, like it is if it is seeing the downward curve, right? If it is having a downside curve, then we are moving R to the uh, forward, or else if it is greater than or equal to the value, we are moving L to the forward position. If the value stop increasing, then L will be fixed. It will not be triggered anymore. If the R, I mean, if the narrowed path is stop decreasing, then only L will be triggered until the point where R it reaches the R. So R is the point where the value stop decreasing, and L is the point where the value stop increasing. So that is the point where both merge is the uh, peak point. You can written R also because L and R will be seen. So I hope you guys understood the information. If you like the video, upload it, share it with your friends and community. Check out the content in the channel. If you like the content, then subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you won't miss the content. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. I'll try to address every comment, and it will also help to get the reach the channel needed. And meet you again with another video. Until then, goodbye guys. Thank you for choosing the channel. We'll meet you again with another video.